Hello, foodies! Today, we're diving into the delicious world of American cuisine. Join me as we explore the iconic dish known as crab cakes. But before we indulge, let's uncover some intriguing unknown facts about this beloved seafood delight. Did you know that crab cakes have a long history dating back to the early days of America? Originating in the Chesapeake Bay region, crab cakes were originally made with leftover crab meat and ingredients like breadcrumbs and seasonings. Over time, they evolved into a culinary staple enjoyed across the country, celebrated for their savory flavor and crispy texture. Surprisingly, there are different varieties of crab used in making crab cakes, each with its own unique flavor and texture. While blue crab is the most traditional choice, other varieties such as Dungeness, lump crab, and king crab are also popular options. Each type of crab lends its own distinct taste and character to the crab cake, resulting in a diverse range of flavors to tantalize the taste buds. One lesser-known fact about crab cakes is the endless variety of ingredients used in their preparation. While traditional recipes often include ingredients like crab meat, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, and Old Bay seasoning, chefs and home cooks alike are known to get creative with their crab cake recipes. From adding fresh herbs and spices to incorporating unexpected ingredients like corn, peppers, or even avocado, the possibilities are endless when it comes to crafting the perfect crab cake. Did you know that crab cakes have a place in American history? During the colonial era, crab cakes were a popular dish enjoyed by settlers along the eastern seaboard. They were often made with locally sourced crab meat and became a symbol of coastal cuisine in America. Today, crab cakes remain a beloved part of American culinary heritage, cherished for their delicious flavor and cultural significance. Another fascinating unknown fact about crab cakes is their role as a symbol of culinary heritage in America. Dating back to the colonial era, crab cakes have been enjoyed by generations of Americans, who have passed down cherished recipes from family to family. Whether enjoyed at backyard barbecues, holiday gatherings, or upscale seafood restaurants, crab cakes evoke a sense of nostalgia and pride in America's coastal culinary traditions. Did you know that one secret ingredient often used in crab cake recipes is mustard? While it may seem unexpected, a touch of mustard adds depth and complexity to crab cakes, balancing the richness of the crab meat and enhancing its natural flavors. Whether incorporated into the crab cake mixture or served as a dipping sauce on the side, mustard is a versatile ingredient that elevates the overall taste experience of crab cakes. Surprisingly, crab cakes hold a special place in the hearts of Marylanders, where they are considered a culinary icon. In Maryland, crab cakes are more than just a dish, they're a cultural institution. Renowned for their jumbo lump crab meat and Old Bay seasoning, Maryland-style crab cakes are celebrated for their simplicity and flavor. Whether enjoyed at a crab shack on the Eastern Shore or a fine dining restaurant in Baltimore, crab cakes are a quintessential part of Maryland's culinary identity. While they're often enjoyed as a standalone dish, crab cakes can also be used as a versatile ingredient in a variety of recipes. From crab cake sandwiches and sliders to crab cake eggs Benedict and crab cake tacos, the possibilities are endless. This adaptability allows crab cakes to shine in a wide range of cuisines, from traditional American fare to international fusion dishes. Surprisingly, crab cake competitions are a beloved tradition in many coastal communities across America. These events bring together amateur and professional chefs alike to showcase their skills and creativity in crafting the perfect crab cake. Judges evaluate entries based on criteria such as flavor, texture, and presentation, crowning winners in various categories. Despite their coastal origins, crab cakes have gained popularity beyond traditional seafood markets and coastal regions. Their delicious flavor and versatility, crab cakes have found their way onto menus in restaurants and eateries across America, from bustling cities to rural towns. Whether served as an appetizer, main course. Additionally, chefs and food enthusiasts often feature crab cakes in cooking shows and culinary competitions, highlighting their culinary appeal and cultural significance. And there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of crab cakes, where tradition meets innovation and every bite is a taste of America's rich culinary heritage. Whether enjoyed as an appetizer, main course, or snack, crab cakes are sure to delight seafood lovers everywhere. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey. Until next time, happy eating! Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.